How are you? Good afternoon. Happy Monday. It's Tuesday here. It's Tuesday afternoon. It's Tuesday afternoon. That's a big mall, madam. No, it's not. It's a very small. It's a small SM. I'm here in SM Mall. It's SM Mall in Consolacion. SM Mall and Consolacion. Shout out. SM. SM, Kevin Michael, Selimi Divyum, shout out. Shout out Divyum, how are you? What time is it there? What time is it there now? Flavor. 7:44 in the morning? Wow. 11:44. Hi, SR William. Hello, Manay. Hi, SR William. Shout out. I'm here at SM. No, actually, I'm paying my bills. I'm paying bills here in SM. I just stopped by and get some cold drinks, some cold what you call it? Shake. It's a shake, okay? It's a shake. No. No, it is not. It's not fun. Paying bills is not fun. Okay, I wish there's no bills to pay. I got headache from the sun outside. It's so hot outside. So I thought I have some cold shake. Cold shake.